Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm just ready to about change my brakes. There's no need for me to show you how to pull off caliper bolts. Let's get right down to this brake change. Smacking out the brake pad. I want to show you live while video's recording. Don't mind me if I'm not talking. How much life is left on that pad? It's amazing how much pad what's left. Basically, there is some pad left, and this needs to be changed out. No damage to the disc at all, because there's still pad life left. It looks pretty good. Caught it just in time. Take a look at that disc. That is a real thick pad. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. Guys, have a great day, and I hope you get out there and visually inspect your brakes, spring and fall. Do not forget to do those slider pins. Have a great day. Time to put these new pads on. Oh, I hate to see what those back brake drums look like. Man, that's going to be fun to do. Have a good day, guys. Well, don't be cheap, be smart, always inspect. Because one side was really worn out, and the other side was pretty damn well, pretty beefy. So to show you, yeah, car will stop with one brake, but be safe. On to the rear. This is what the kit looks like. It's going to be a fun job to change out. Have a great day once again.